Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a snowman head. It's going to be simple, easy, totally for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stick around, all right? It's going to be a very short lesson. It's going to be maybe like, I don't know, 8 minutes or so. Super short. So stay all the way to the very end. And that's it. Let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. This is a seasonal channel. So if you click subscribe right now, you're going to see all the Christmas drawings. The rest of them I'm going to have out here for the next few weeks. And you are also going to get reminded next year when I start posting Halloween and Christmas stuff. Next year, you're going to start seeing it on your feed. All right? So definitely do that. Let's get started. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the, since it's just his head, I'm going to draw the actual nose first. Maybe like a crooked carrot or something. Extending out. Back in. Back in. Up here. Up here. Up here. Line over 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 here. To give it that carrot look. Alright. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start drawing the head, right? It's going to be a circle, so I'm going to go over here and make as even a circle as you can. Don't worry about it, by the way. So if you find that really hard, maybe just kind of do it in chunks. You know, it doesn't have to be completely round. Let's do the bottom here together right here. Right here. Doesn't have to be a complete full circle, right? He's got some weight there. I'm going to throw a little bit right here for the body. A little bit right here for the body. It's just the, you know, the next part of the torso. And let's draw right here that top button, which is a rock, right? So a rock right there. Over here, it's going to be a rock for the eye. I'm going to draw a thick line right here. Just going to show that off, that it's a rock, or I guess it's coal, right? I guess we could make that really thick. Going over here. On this side, it doesn't even have to be even. It could be that unevenness can do a lot there. Like there. And let's go to the mouth. The mouth can be anything from coal to, I don't know, like sticks. Let's see, what are we going to make it? Let's make it coal also, I guess, but maybe smaller rocks. Like so. I'm going to fill those in. I love Christmas, by the way. It's a great time of year. Definitely hit the subscribe and give me that present. I'm sorry, I said that too, but I'll hit the like and give me that present, that Christmas present. On over here. I drew a little bit of line here to give it a little bit of shadow, you know, so you know they can feel the weight of the top of his head there. And top of the head, you can draw like a hat. You know, well, you know, let's draw a hat on him. Let's cut into the head there a little bit, straight line. Line up, and pull across here. And we're gonna fill that entire thing black. Whoops. It's gonna fill in the whole thing. It's gonna have a short top hat there. All right. And let's color in that carrot, by the way. Actually, let's fill this in too, this top here. And it's really easy, right? It's incredibly easy. So let's put a little color on that carrot. I'm going to grab an orange. You know what? I'm going to grab a different type of orange. 1 second. Oops, daisy. Whoops, where is that? Okay, I'm going to grab an orange. It took me a second here. And I'm going to fill in the carrot here. I'm using a Creative Experiment marker. As far as markers go, I highly recommend you use Prismacolor. I'll put the link in the description. I think they're the best markers ever. That and Copic are amazing. But definitely go use those two if you can. This one's okay, but you know, I don't think it's like a widespread brand. Line right there. And I'm going to use a light blue in this Prismacolor. A light blue. Actually, it's not even a light blue. It's like a purple or something. I use a light blue and go underneath right here, kind of in the shadow area, and that's going to give it this extra layer right here of this extra layer. See right there? You put it along the sides, and I don't know what it is. It shows like you put it on stuff that's white, and it gives it a lot of form, I've noticed. You can put it out in the front if you want, but maybe smaller though over here. You can put a little bit around this to kind of show a little bit of dimension here. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the Christmas drawings. I do them, you know, obviously for joy, but also I do them to grow the channel. So, if you can, please share the video. Share it with a friend that you think might enjoy it, or just press the share button if you're on YouTube. There's an auto share button where on the bottom you press auto share, and what it does is it shares it automatically to Twitter or whatever it is that you want to share it to. You know, so doing that helps the growth of the channel, and it really gives back that. Or you can also donate, and all donations go to new markers and new colored pencils and stuff like that. I've already had a bunch of people donate. Thank you so much. That's the only reason this channel runs is from you guys, and thank you. All right, see you later. Oh, I just breathed in a lot of stuff. How to open a window. These markers smell. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very soon. All right, Merry Christmas.